An API is a software intermediary that acts as a communication link between computer systems, allowing them to access, interact, and extract a company's data and functions. Django REST Framework is a powerful and flexible toolkit for building web APIs. Some reasons you might want to use REST Framework: simplicity, flexibility, quality, and test coverage of source code. Powerful serialization engine compatible with both ORM and non-ORM data sources. Pluggable and easy to customize emitters, parsers, validators, and authenticators. Generic classes for CRUD operations. Clean, simple views for resources using Django's new class-based views. Support for model resources with out-of-the-box default implementations and input validation, optional support for forms as input validation. HTTP response handling, content type negotiation using HTTP accept headers. Pagination simplifies the process of returning paginated data in a way that can then be rendered to arbitrary media types. Publishing of metadata along with query sets. Permission classes and throttling management. API may feature a restrictive throttle for unauthenticated requests, a less restrictive throttle for authenticated requests, etc. We have already built a library with Python Django. Now we'll add an API to it. First install Django REST Framework. Then create a new app and add both it to the settings.py file in the installed_apps section. Modify the code in the urls.py file like this. Create a urls.py file within the API app and add the following piece of code to it. Write the view of Books API view. Finally, create a serializers.py file in API and add the following code.